Hello, Elroads here, and today I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna go hang out with somebody who's in my club and a few friends. So that's fun. Yeah. That's all goody. I was gonna do quests all day today, but it's getting boring. It's getting lonely feeling because they should make it so that you could do something where, like, if there'll be a special mark next to a person's forehead if they have some of the same quests as you, and then they sorry, one sec, I gotta comment something, and they sorry, I did the ferry and now I forget. Lol. Sorry, did that and now I forget. Lol. Ferry. Took. Yeah, so now we're just gonna head over and I'm just gonna tell her I'm recording for you, okay? Yeah, so maybe she's gonna say she wants to be in and like comment and subscribe, which would be good. Road to 10 subscribers, let's go. I know there's like a million of you who there was 20 something people watching my video. The other 28 people watching my video the other day, and where I'm at Fort now. Dang it, she's already in a group. Okay. I'm sorry. Got to go. Okay, so yeah, I'm sorry for the short episode, but yeah, I just didn't really have anything to do, so just a short thing making sure you know that I'll be back. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye! Goodbye.